What's up guys, this is Trey with Smart Home Starter, and today just doing a quick video on how you can get Hulu on your Samsung TV. So what you're seeing on screen right now is a Samsung TV and we have Hulu. We're going to go through a few different ways that we can get Hulu no matter how old, how new, or how updated your Samsung TV is. So let's dive right into it. Now, a lot of these Samsung TVs are going to have the Hulu app either already installed or it's going to be really easy to find. So if you have a newer Samsung TV, what we can do is hit the home screen. A lot of times you'll see it there, even if it's not downloaded. Or we can go to the apps tab. The apps tab is just going to hold all the apps that we've installed, and it's going to give us the ability to search for other apps. So once we're on this page, we can look around. Again, it's usually going to be recommended because Hulu is very popular. But if we don't have it, let's go up and search. Once we get to this page, we just enter in or type in Hulu. And it should autofill for us. Now, again, I have this already installed. But if I didn't, what I would do is just click it and download it from here. So let's take a look at Hudson. I don't have this. What we can do is install it, let it load, and it's going to give us the option to open it or close it. Again, if you didn't have Hulu, you would just do the same thing but with Hulu. Now, if you have an older TV, this is where we're going to have to use something like a Firestick, a Chromecast, Apple TV, or a Fire TV Cube. We can use these to get access to Hulu or other apps if our TV doesn't allow us to do it directly. So now you have Hulu on your TV. What's next? Well, we're either going to have to create an account or log into an existing account. So since I already have an account, I'm going to log in. I always use the URL that they provide. It's just way easier. Grab your phone and then type it in. And then you just input the code that confirms your device. And once that's all set, you should have access to your Hulu account. Now again, if you have to sign up, the process is super similar. And yeah, that's it. And just like that, there we go. We have Hulu now on this Samsung TV. So guys, hope that helped. Like and subscribe. See you next time.